Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we're on one of the What's Mr. Paul Got to Do to keep that smile on Miss I'm losing my English. Miss Luboofffff's face. And I've got a Gumbaro with me.
Morning, how are you?
Not too bad. Good. There's the brother. He's coming again, and we're going to go and have a look around the workshop and see what's going on. Let me show you. We're almost here. Have a look. Arrived, and one of the paint suppliers is here. Let's park up and let's go and have a look and let's see what's going on today. There's a few cars to take back today because it's a bright Monday morning, but as a continuation of my previous videos, I want to show you something. Just have a look at that. Now, if you've got one of them, I'm losing my English. If you've got one of those on the back of your car, you're not doing too bad. Anyway, let's go and have a look and see what is going on. Yassas, Kalimera. He doesn't look very happy because obviously Hassan wants to give him some money. Yassas. Good? Good. Right, let's have a look. Now, Mr. Rudry, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. That's the car that belongs to one of our future subscribers. He doesn't know yet, but I've shown him pretty much from start to finish that car being done. And if you go back and look at the Paphos Gardens video, you'll see how I bumped into him and we didn't know who each other was. Now, let's go and have a look through here and see what's going on. Look at that. This is a pickup that belongs to a man called James. And James has asked us to completely do up this pickup. He's owned it for 22 years. It's never let him down, and he's decided to invest a little bit of money, well, quite a lot actually, in having this pickup completely restored. So we're going to fix every little dent and scrape on it, as you can see. And then we are going to completely respray it. But Mr. James's wife doesn't want it to be in red. She wants it to be in black, just to make the job that little bit more difficult. So we're going to make sure it's perfect, then we're going to primer it, and primer it, and primer it, and then we're going to paint it shiny black. Now, let's just go outside and see if the young man we were with the other day actually has had a bonfire. And it appears that he hasn't. Look at that. Not nice. This one had a little bit of a collision, as we can see. That one is knackered. Now, Pedar told me that he was going to have a bonfire. But he didn't. He obviously went home and ate the rest of the pancakes that I bought him. Now, I said to him to set those on fire, but he hasn't. Anyway, let's go back in and see if we can find the manager, although I think he's gone off to take a car to somebody. But let's go and have a quick look. Look at that. Beautiful pickup. Beautiful pickup. And as you can see, as usual, Ibrahim, the superstar, the hardest working man in the world. Let's have a quick look what's in there. As you can see, nothing. That one's next. Yeah, this is a little hire car that we featured in a previous video, and we showed you all the front wing was creased and the light was cracked and the bumper was damaged. We've managed to acquire a wing off a black one, and we only paid 30 euros for it. So that was the cheapest way to do that job. Fit a wing, repair the bumper, and get a second-hand light. So I hope this gentleman is going to be unbelievably happy, because that job is perfect. Oh, here he is. What do you think of Putin? Yes, exactly. He doesn't like Putin very much. Hold on a minute. Someone else has arrived. Someone that you might recognise. Wait for it.
Hello, everybody.
it's Miss Luboofffff, because I know you didn't know this, but I'm losing my English. Miss Luboofffff actually has a job as well, and Miss Luboofffff is a colourist. She's a person that mixes paints for all of these cars, and obviously Mr. Hassan has obviously asked her to come up to look at a difficult paint, and she's going to mix it. Is that correct?
You've told all the surprises, all the secrets, all the secrets now.
Yes, all the secrets are out. So Miss Luboofffff doesn't actually need to keep spending my money, but she does. So, what have you come for, Luboofffff? Ah, so you've come to get that, because it's a difficult colour, as you can see. It's like a bronzy gold colour. So she's going to get that piece off it, take it back to her premises, and make a perfect colour match. Is that correct?
Yes, I always do the perfect colour match.
She always does a perfect colour match. Now, we'll leave her to work with Roman, and we will pop in and see how is the rampant rabbit. What is going on in here? Not a lot. Nope, not a lot. But that is a good sign. See that? Nobody is smoking it. So that means that there's nobody in here, because all they do all day, as you may have noticed, is sit there and smoke hashish. Anyway, as you can see, look at that. That's a good sign that the front crash bar and the radiator and the air conditioning radiator are back on, because that means that that is the new reconditioned engine. So I think that Marios has gone to get something, because he's not here. That's for sure. Let's go and check he's not here, because often he's hiding in his little house. But as we can see, the lights are not on, so probably he's not there. So I think he's gone to get something for my rampant little rabbit. Look, that's the old knackered engine. Anyway, if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for some more of my madness. Let me just go and say goodbye to Miss Luboofffff, and then we'll go on our travels. We've got to go to Paphos a couple of times, and to Mandrea to see a man called Bob.
Bye everybody, thanks for watching. You know, I'm supposed to be somewhere else, by the way. And Mr. Paul caught me while I'm going around and collecting the cars, the code car codes.
The colour codes for various cars. She doesn't just come here, obviously she goes to various other body shops, because she's quite a busy girl. And I think this is a man called Hassan coming. No, it's not. But that's a man called Ibrahim coming. There he is. So that's one of the mechanics. And I'll bet you he goes straight to the shishka pipe. Let's go and have a look. Are we smoking today?
Just now I make.
See, told you, just now. His first priority in life is to smoke. Excellent. But luckily, he's the greatest auto electrician in the world. Say hello.
Hello.
He's a superhero. He can work magic with auto electrics, that's for sure. And I'm sure he'll be working on the rampant rabbit. And I'm going to say bye-bye. See you, Luboofffff.
Ακόμα δεν μάζεψα κωδικούς. Πού να τα μαζέψω, να σε πάρω τηλέφωνο. Έγινε. Bye. Thank you.
What are you going to say, Luboofffff?
Working details. Working details. Well, if the person is happy.
What do you think of Putin?
So, well, he's not saying anything anymore because if the person is happy in what he's doing, Roma, in what he's doing, this is a more than half a success. It means he will do the job with a perfect way, an excellent way, with a quality top class.
Excellent. So there we go. As you can see, totally live as usual. Miss Luboofffff didn't expect me to be in the workshop, and I didn't expect her to be either. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for some more of our madness. Let's just go and see what the Gumbarrow is doing. Has he found another car? Has he found a car? Or is he reading the news? What's he up to? Could have been watching pornography. Who knows? Anyway, like I say, if you've got one of those on the back of your car, you're doing all right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.